Hi guys, Mani here and welcome back to another video. So, I'm gonna be making miswa soup with sardines, budget friendly. Let's prepare. First things first, prepare your onion leeks or spring onion leeks, whatever. Tomato, 1 piece of tomato because this is budget friendly. Your sardines and your miswa or the starch noodles. That is 3 pesos each. And also your garlic that you can find just around your house. Next, you make sure that they're clean and you gotta slice them like this and prepare your pan or your wok or whatever. And make sure they're hot enough to put some oil and make sure the oil is ready and hot. Just like your host. Joking. And then when you see it's ready, and that's the time, yeah, you see it's smoking, so it means it is ready to put some garlic to saute your garlic. And next, you can also put your onions first or whatever, so I put the garlic first, mine. Second is the onions or the leeks. So you notice I did not use onions, the purple one, because this is budget friendly, guys, and you can use the white part of your leeks. And then next is the tomato. So you gotta make sure they'll combine together. They're going to have a reunion there. Just mix them up until you make sure the the tomato is ready and very soft and it's cooked. And then you put the sardines. Yeah, you fry the sardines together with the sauce and everything, and then I smash it up just like how you smash the like button for me. Don't forget that, guys. So you notice that I smash it. It's because so that the kids can eat also. But you have the choice to just not smash the sardines. Mostly don't anyway. And then, kaya pa nagmaayo day para malatagaw na dyan na siya maayo. Nagkutaw gyapon. Undangan na lagi na mani. Stop that, mani. Stop that. Stop that. Now, she stop. Mani, just stop latagawing the sardines and the spices. And now you put a cup of water or 2, depends on how you like it. So I prefer it very soupy for the kids, so they can eat well. And then I put some salt, a pinch of salt and some pepper, and then my palm, and then you gotta mix them first. Sorry, I forgot. I put the palm before. So I have to mix them, and then yeah, that's the second palm. Of course, the magic syrup. Why you don't use the magic syrup if you have a magic syrup in your home? And then now they're ready. The sauce is ready, so you gotta put the misua or the starch noodles. I think it's starch noodles. I have to Google it. Basta, it is called misua. Now you gotta wait. It is okay. How many miswa I put it here? So no matter how many, depends on how you like it. So yeah, and now you're mixing. You keep on stirring it again, ha, mani. Stop that, mani. So after the taste test, it is okay. So it's now time to put the onion leeks. Anyway, guys, if you have some other vegetables in your house or near you, you can just use it and put it there. Malunggay or the sikwa. And then it is ready. I think it's ready. Yeah, it is ready. This is now our finished product, and I'm still stirring it. Okay? Thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.